Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 11 and welcome to my unique Amazon gift guide for him and her for last minute gifts. So in this gift guide, I'm going to just throw a barrage of last minute, really cool and unique gift ideas right at you. So we're going to jump right in. I'm going to start off with nails. So this one is for anyone who likes to do their nails but maybe can't get into a salon right now, especially if you are a fan of shellac. So I have right here, this is by a company, this is a Canadian company. This is called Bio Seaweed Gel. And this is a vegan-friendly, solvent-free, zero dehydration, staining, and weakening, cruelty-free, no formaldehyde, no BPA, no BPB, no whole bunch of other things in this shellac brand. So this is very eco-friendly, vegan-friendly. They have some that you can get that are just base coats, some that top coats, and they're going to need like a middle. Then they also have some from their website. This is the one that I use. This is the Utility All-in-One. This is their gel. They have about a whole bunch of different colors. They have mattes, they have mauves, they have sparkles, they have hot pinks, deep reds. The Utility All-in-One, the ones that I use, I don't need a base coat or a top coat. They last all day long, and they even come with their own little UV lamp. So this is their Glow Mini Bio Seaweed Gel lamp. They also have a big one, so you just paint your nails one thin layer at a time. Put your hands in here and let it cure for about 4 to 5 minutes. Do your second layer and then you're done, and you have really beautiful, high quality, high sheen, professional looking shellac nails that last you a very long time without all the harsh chemicals. I will link a couple different kits below in the description box as well if you can't get a hold of this brand specifically. Then up next I have a set of bath bombs. Now these bath bombs are American. If you are somebody who likes to relax in the bath, look for a gift set on Amazon. I will link some below. Just type in gift bomb set and they should have anywhere from 6 to 12 bath bombs that have like different flavors, different colors, different smells. Flavors, not that you're going to eat your bath bomb. Please do not eat your bath bombs. Then moving into something else that you can give someone who likes to relax, that stays at home. Maybe this pair of slippers. Now when you're looking for a pair of slippers, you're going to want something that's insulated. You're going to want something that has a little bit of memory foam into it. So like an air foam or a memory foam. Make sure that's kind of like the keywords in the description. And then you want to look for something that's got a little bit of a heel or a hard heel to it. Especially if you're giving a gift of slippers for somebody who's older. They kind of need that arch support. I personally like slippers that have a little bit of a heel anyways. A, to make me look taller, and B, because they're just a lot more supportive for my feet when I'm around the house. And then following slippers is something that's pretty standard in Canada, is this. This is an electric heating blanket. I'll list again some below. This one I like because it comes in a variety of different sizes. You can get king, queen, twin. You can just get the standard little size, and then you can adjust the temperature. And it's just something that's nice to have around the house, especially when you don't want to turn on the heater and kind of get that like full blast of air. You just want something that's like a nice, subtle, little relaxing heat. Also, just please don't fall asleep with these on. It even says that in the instructions, so just be really careful with that. So now we have our nails on, we've got our feet warm, we've got something to cover us, but let's go ahead and move on to our coffee or our tea. So if you are some people can relate to this, a stay-at-home mom or somebody who's working from home and you're busy, and the same coffee that you started off with 3 hours ago is still going, but now it's ice cold. This next gift is for you. This is almost like a little hot plate. So what you do is you put your coffee mug on this, you set the temperature, and it stays hot all day long, so you're not having to constantly microwave or constantly reheat your coffee, and it's still going to taste just as good as when you made it 3 hours ago. But what if you're not working from home and you find your thermos isn't really, it could be better? This right here is called a smart thermos. This is the Elmer's smart thermos. I will list some cheaper ones in the description box below. Now what this is a thermos that you can set the temperature at. You can use it for hot or cold, and it's going to keep your coffee, your tea, or your water at that temperature all day long. And I like the fact that it is digital, and if you like it super hot or maybe just a little bit lukewarm, or if you like really ice cold water, you can definitely pick and choose what your ideal temperature is, and it'll stay that way all day long, and works a little bit better than some of the insulated thermoses that you can only use for hot, or a water bottle that you can only use for cold. This one can do both, so double duty. Now up next, I have something that is for everyone who has a dog and may have gone back to work because you got a dog because of the whole stay-at-home thing and you kind of can't keep an eye on them. This right here is called the Furbo Dog Camera. So what this is you have this big stand-up machine that stays in your house and you can put treats in it. And then you download the app to your phone, and the app actually is a live feed from the camera, and you can watch your dog. There's a microphone so they can hear you, and then there's a little button on the app that actually will signal your little tower here to pop out treats, especially when your dog is being very good. So if you're someone who still needs to keep an eye on your dog and reward them when they're being good, or to stop barking, you can just press the little button and you can see them, they can hear you, and you can still give them affection even when you're working from your office. Now, speaking of home electronic gadgets, let's get into this. This is the Amazon Echo. So what the Amazon Echo speaker does is you can set it up to kind of be like the hub of your house, like a little command control. You can be like, turn on the lights, order me this. What was the recipe to this? And it will tell you and do a whole bunch of different things for your house. You can say, go and start the little robot vacuum to vacuum the kitchen. You can say, don't forget to turn on my car. It's all in how you customize these cool little speakers. And again, you do, guys, I'm just gonna speed talk through these next gifts because my battery is dying and I have to go to work. So up next with the Amazon, this is the Amazon Alexa Fire Cube. Anyways, this one attaches to your TV. You get access to Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, the internet. You can set this to turn your TV off or on. You can set this to tell you the weather. You can say, find this recipe for this video. And it's really cool. I like to, specifically because I'm lazy, I like to say, Alexa, turn on the TV, turn on the soundbar. Alexa, what's the weather? And it'll tell you all through this little thing, or I'll be like, Alexa, play Frozen. Let it go. Up next, I have this. This is the Apple wireless earbuds. So these are a noise canceling wireless earbud. They charge in the little container. Now you have the option to turn the noise canceling off or on, which is what I really like. And when you're on the phone, it actually kind of takes out all the noise around you, so the person and you can just hear each other, especially if you are working from home in a noisy house. That's another great little gift, a little bit more on the pricier side. Now, these next gifts were offered by my brother and my dad as some ideas. So apparently you need something called an HDMI splitter, an HDMI cord. Apparently you need one of these. I don't know what for. They do all the stuff for me. So I'm going to put that up here. Then something that I use every single day, this is a extra storage container. I will link to up there. Now what this does is this basically has 4 terabytes of storage. My MacBook Pro doesn't really have enough storage, especially when I'm doing YouTube videos. So I always make sure to back up all my files on this, as well as keep it for extra storage and extra memory. I use this thing every day and absolutely love this. Now this is, I think it's called a storage thing. I don't know what the technical name, I'll put it in the thing. Like I said, these next ideas were donated by my dad and my brother. Alright, we also have, this is for my dad specifically, this 172 kit mechanic piece tool set from DeWalt. So you will never be without a piece that you need, especially if you need something, if you have no tools, go ahead and grab this for work around the house, or if you need something at the office. It's small, travel size, and it's bound to have what you need to get the job done, especially like putting IKEA furniture together. And then also from DeWalt, I have this, hang on, let me get the name right, I gotta read this. This is the DeWalt 20 volt max compact lithium ion cordless combo drill. So you get 2 drills in here, you get the carrying case, as well as the rechargeable battery pack. So you're never gonna need to buy a set of batteries again. All you have to do is recharge the battery and you're good to go. Apparently this is something good to have around the house. I don't really drill things, so having 2, I guess, is better than 1. Oh, and then one more thing to accompany it. You're gonna need this DeWalt Titanium Pilot Point Drill Ball Set. This is 21 pieces of different drill sets, and I think it goes with the other thing that he suggested. I'm not sure, but maybe buy them in combo. And you'll have all the drill pieces that you need. Yes, I have 2 more gifts for you. I'm just reading off my notes because I couldn't remember all this. So this is, the last two are universal. The first up, especially if you live in Canada or cold weather climates, is a pair of insulated leather gloves. Now I like the fact that you can get leather gloves that are insulated in any type of shape. They're luxurious. They're just that extra something. There's an elegance to them. Men or women can wear them. You can get them again in like black, green, reds, purples. I've seen them in 100 different colors, and that's just a nice little idea, especially if you're stuck. Anyone can use a pair of insulated leather gloves. And then last but not least is this. Now, we all have them in my family. We have earmuffs, but this is a different pair of earmuffs. This is called a 360 earmuff, and basically what this is they're downfilled. These ones specifically are downfilled. You don't have to get them downfilled, but these earmuffs fold up into like a little ball. I don't have mine out because, to be honest, I don't know where they are. Someone probably took them. Your earmuffs fold up like this into like a little ball, and they're easier to put in your pocket or to put in your purse, and then that way you're not going to lose them, or you don't have to carry around these clunky, weird, like wirely earmuffs. And they also have the band. Instead of the band sitting at the top of your head, the band sits at the back of your neck, so it's a lot more comfortable to turn your head and driving, and you don't feel like you've got this like big antenna thing. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I had to talk really fast to finish this video before my camera died. Everything will be linked in a blog post, as well as some extras in the blog post, and linked in the description box below. Now, if you can shop local, please go ahead and buy these local, support local businesses. I am doing it this way because I have a very broad audience on YouTube, and there's really no way for me to, at this current time, specifically support local, because I've got people from all over the world who watch my videos, and I'm very grateful for that. So I hope this last minute unique gift guide helped you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in Vlogmas Day 12 tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye!